Hello, this is Jim with DC Digital. Today I'm demonstrating a DC-40T-DN-UP-Static-W, and this is a wirelessly static number display with countdown timer functions. You can do count up timers, you can do a static display, you can do a counter, you can do a time of day with it. And it all depends on the code that you send it. We have several codes that you can input into it. It's all done wirelessly. So the wireless transmitter is connected to your laptop or your computer or whatnot through the USB port. It's a USB connection. The wireless transmitter is 900 megahertz, transmits at 9600 8N1, up to 1500 feet. Receiver has a quarter wave and the transmitter has a half wave antenna. Connects to your USB port in your computer, and you just simply send commands to it, and it responds to those commands as sent. And I want to show you the protocol, and then you have to get on our website to get it, and I'm going to go ahead and pull that up. I'll pull up our website, and I'll go to products, and I'll go to, I'll just try, I'm not going to try, I'm just going to do this, countdown timers. And here you can see the very first one, it's a network or RS-232 controlled countdown timers. Now this is the same protocol that works for the network as well as the RS-232. And we're going to pull up the RS-232, which will be also our USB. We have converted it to USB now. And here is the actual unit that we have here. And if you scroll down and go to the item notes, here is our DC Digital non-proprietary data protocol that we've set up that you can send out. And I'm going to go ahead and pull this page up, and this gives you all the codes and commands to send through your USB port. And they are, I'm just got them printed off here, the same as here. And also, I wanted to also show the product here of the DC-MTU USB-W, and that would be in the accessories, controllers, transmitters. So I'm going to go ahead and pull that up also and show you this. And it is a USB, so it automatically, when you plug it into the USB port, automatically comes up, the computer sees it, and links to the COM port. That COM port is critical to know when you want to send out the data. And what we have is, we normally test these with and use this with, it's called a program called Termite. It's a free program. And you just need to tell it, you know, what baud rate, because it comes up, I think, 1500 and something kilobytes per second. So you want to tell it, you know, 9600 baud, 8N1, and then no handshake. And then down here in the lower bar, you just put in your code. And currently I've got in TD, it was a T down timer, and I put in 21:59 minutes. So on your if you cheat sheet here, I've got, we'll just do a count up timer now. So we'll put in TU, and then 1 for set and start. So you've got, I'm gonna put my coffee down. So you've got TC, which is time of day clock, and you can put in 12-hour PM, 12-hour AM, 0, 1, or 2, and it's 24-hour mode or 24-hour format. And then for TU, for timer up, TD for timer down, and then TS for just static or your counter functionality. So I'm going to put in TU, and I'm going to say, I'm going to put in 1, which is set and start timer. You can put it in 2, and or you can put in 0, or you can put in a 3. 0 is set and hold value, 2 is pause timer, and 3 is resume timer, and we'll go over that here in a second. But I'm going to go ahead and put in TU1 and then a value to start from, or you can just do 0, 0, 0, 0. It's got to be 4 digits. It's going to be minutes and seconds. So I'm going to put in TU, and then I'm going to put in a 1, which is for my set and start. And previously I put in 5 minutes or 50 minutes. Today I'm going to put in 500, which is 5 minutes. Hit enter, and there you go, and it starts counting up on its own. Now, if I do want to do a just pause it for a minute, I want to put in TU 2, and that's all I need to put in, and that will pause it. I don't have to put any value in. And then if I want to resume, I'm just going to put in TU 3, and it's going to resume back. Now, people use this with not just a computer, but they use it with a Crestron unit or some type of media control. And these, as long as you have the protocol in at the baud rate that is proper, 9600 baud, 8N and 1, the display, timer, counter, clock, time of day clock will respond to that. And also using your transmitter. You can link these if you'd like. So you can have an infinite number of these out there that you want. They're just calling this a large display or a large counter display wireless that they needed for some council room or something of that nature. But all thousands of different uses. We usually put this is a 200 feet viewing distance. We can go up to 30-inch high displays down to 1-inch high. All of our displays are, you can use them for this. All of our displays are adaptable, switchable. We make a lot of custom displays here, a lot of custom timers. 4-inch high right here on this one, aluminum enclosure. You mount it either 4 square or handy box, or just two screws on the wall. And this is a 120 with a 6-foot cord, just plugs in the side here. We do offer a PoE. You can also use PoE to operate it and also power it. And that we do have network also. That network drop, if you do a network drop, you can do it through your network also. Same protocol. So again, this is Jim with DC Digital. Today I'm demonstrating DC-40T-DN-UP-Static display. Thank you so much for watching.